Welcome to Thinkific, the online education platform that entrepreneurs, creators, managers, and educators use to build online learning businesses with learning products like courses, communities, and memberships. Using Thinkific tools, you can build, sell, and manage dynamic online learning experiences that make a difference in the lives of your learners and your business's bottom line. If you're an expert with knowledge to share and are looking for a single destination to build and sell learning products, you are in the right place. Now, let's start the tour. Thinkific gives you the tools you need to build powerful and effective online learning products. In the dashboard, you'll find Manage Learning Products, where you can create and manage courses, communities, and memberships. Let's start with courses. Using the course builder, create a new online course to get started. Once you have a course, you can create your first chapter and add lessons to it. Video, quiz, multimedia, and text lessons, and you can configure them all however you want to create an engaging learning experience. If you have existing content or even a course, you can use the bulk importer to upload your training content all at once. Simply make a new chapter and drag and drop video, audio, or text content right into your online course curriculum. To further customize the learning experience, use features like prerequisites and drip schedules, discussion forums and certificates to pace, incentivize, and round out students' learning. Now let's jump over to communities. To create a new learning community, click Communities under Manage Learning Products and hit Start a New Community, which you'll be prompted to name. Next, you can customize and configure your community by adding spaces. Think of spaces as virtual rooms within your overall community where you can host focused discussions on specific topics, facilitate introductions, post important updates, and invite members to share assignments. You can further set up your community by adding a description, photo, and linking a course if you have one, making it easier for your students to jump from your course directly into your community and vice versa. Now that you know how to set up a community, let's go over a few powerful features and how they can help you and your learners. Live events allows you to create synchronous activities and rituals, helping boost student engagement and keep the energy high. Profiles make it easy for students to share a bit about themselves and to find and learn about other members. Mentions allow students to tag another member in response to a post or directly communicate with one another. This creates lively conversations in a dynamic online environment, giving your students a reason to keep coming back. With web notifications, your members will learn about new and relevant conversations happening through both email and your site. And finally, if you want to charge access to your community, you can add a price and publish to sell it directly on your Thinkific site as an individual product, or you can even package it with individual courses. Now let's explore memberships. If you want to create a membership site for your customers, click on the Memberships and Bundles tab and hit New Bundle. You'll be prompted to name your bundle and can add as many existing products as you want. You can then customize the look of your membership page, set your price, and publish. You can add more learning products to your membership site over time to continue delivering value to your members and even host exclusive live classes and events. We've only just scratched the surface of what's possible with creating learning products on Thinkific. Be sure to jump into the Course Builder, Community Builder, and Membership Manager to explore for yourself. Now, let's design your site. To share learning products with your audience, you need a way for them to learn about your product and sign up or make a purchase. To do this, you'll need to create a sales page in the Thinkific Site Builder. With Thinkific, you can eliminate technical hurdles and easily build an entire website around your online learning products using site themes designed specifically for education businesses. Using the Site Builder, you can create pages and completely customize them with drag and drop sections. With Thinkific, you'll feel as confident in creating online products as you do teaching what you know. Learning products can be easily shared with your audience by creating a sales page where students can sign up or make a purchase. Accepting and managing payments on your site is seamless with the Thinkific checkout, and you can take advantage of various selling features from coupons and upsells to affiliate management. If you already have an existing website, integrate your Thinkific training site using a custom domain to create a cohesive brand experience for your audience. And remember, as a Thinkific creator, you get support, training, and advice, and world-class help when you need it. If you're on a paid plan, you'll even have access to live chat in the bottom right-hand corner of the dashboard, and our amazing support team is available to help if you're ever feeling stuck. With Thinkific, you'll feel as confident in creating online learning products as you do teaching what you know.